Hey guys, this is how to fix this device is not compatible with this version while downloading your eFootball 2023 in your Android phone. So let's get into it and fix this error. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your settings, and here in my phone you can check the Android version that you are using. Make sure that your device must be version 10 or the later on, so then you will be able to download your game. So once you check your Android version, then you have to just update your system. For this you have to just open your settings and then scroll all the way down and then click on the system. Now click on the update system, click on the online update, continue, and then click on check for update and try to update your system if any update is available for your system. So after updating your device, you have to just try to again install your game. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. And the second method is to simply download it from your browser. You have to just open your Chrome browser and then search here for eFootball 2023 APK download. And then open the first website here. And here you have to just click on the download APK. Again click on the download. And now you have to just wait for completing this downloading and then simply click to install it. And doing so you will be able to use this version of the eFootball in your Android phone. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a big help for you. Thanks for watching.